Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. Let's make a paper landscape. So I have a piece of cardboard. It's 6 by 8, but any size will work and any type of glue will work. I like this type of glue because I can just spread it on. I put it on all the corners and down the edges. And so I have a pre-cut piece of paper to fit as a base color. Just one solid color is kind of nice to get started with. Great. So let's start cutting. What I'm going to do is make kind of a organic shape, and I'm going to make this into a pond or a lake. So I'm going to put some glue on it, and then what I'm going to do is flip it over and smooth it out. Awesome. So this is a paper towel roll, and you can do a lot of fun things with that, or toilet paper roll. So I'm carefully cutting it out kind of thin, and what I want to make this into is a bridge. So I'm going to make a tab, which is basically allowing the glue to be able to place it on it like that. Yeah, put some pressure on this and hold it down. So now you see my tab. I'm going to repeat that again so you can see what I mean by a tab. So I'm going to make some wavy lines by cutting it. Yep. And then I'm going to make a tab. So you fold it over like this, crease it, make a nice crease. And so, there's the tab. And then you can put some glue on it. So this allows it to kind of look like a pop-up. So let's put some glue along this tab. And then after I place the glue on it, I think I'm going to put it at the very edge of my landscape. So press it down once, crease it, that's a crease, fold it again, keep folding it back and forth, and yep, it stands up, kind of cool. So I folded another piece, and I'm going to put some glue on it. So you use different colors for your, I think these are going to be mountains. And there's my tab. And so I'm going to fold it. First press down and then fold it. Yeah, first put some pressure on the tab. So this is more organic shapes, organic for nature, just kind of soft looking shapes. There's my tab. And I'm going to press down on the tab and then fold it back and forth. And I have like kind of a bush or a tree, depending on what you want it to be. It's a different green, so if you have different greens, that helps. Smooth out the tab, press down, and ooh, this is fun. So I'm going to make a strip. I'm going to fold it back and forth. So if I make one shape, I'm going to have multiple shapes of the same size. So that's kind of fun. So here are some stones or rocks or a path. So glue them down. Yay! So thank you so much for tuning, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. You can do so much with your paper landscape. Have fun. Enjoy.